Hey guys, it's your girl Keish. Welcome back to the Keish TV, and this is a Mukbang Rebels presents Keisha's Healthy Eating segment. And today I have for you guys tuna avocado salad. And as you can see, it's I don't think you can see that because it's whiting out, but yeah, it's tuna with avocado, a teaspoon of mayo, and some red bell peppers, and a little egg in it. I'm drinking on that good old H2O. I don't have beer with me because I ain't got no ice, so y'all know how that is. Anyway, let me say my grace and I'll get into it. God is good, God is great. Thank you for the meal we're about to receive. Bless your holy name, bless the prayers of the meal. Amen. Amen, guys. So what's going on with you guys today? Let me know what you're eating, and if you're eating with me. Also, let me know what's going on in y'all neck of the woods. How's your weather treating you? And what y'all did today. I know I had to bring that up because, I know my boys, so. All right. Y'all want some? It look good. I don't have no soda or anything in it. I'll tell you, it's good. It's good without it. My baby, male baby, she made this on her channel. She actually showed you how she made it on her channel. I'm gonna put her video down in the description box so you guys could go and check it out. It was good. And this is good too, y'all. I know I was saying that I was gonna stay off the camera to show my progress, but something like somebody had sent me a letter, wrote me a letter, and she said she's been a follower of mine since I was on the Walking the Fat Woman shoes by myself, and she's seen my ups, my downs, my highs, my lows, and my triumphs, my failures, everything. And she said, basically, if you say you're taking us on your journey, why stay out of the camera? We like to see everything. And I think what she said, it touched me, and I'm gonna do just that. I'm not gonna stay out of the camera, so I'm gonna still be in the camera, showing my progress, my fails, my highs, my lows, everything. Because why not? Like y'all, like I said, I was watching people eat carnivore, and like, Lord, that's a lot of food. That's a lot of food. I mean, if I eat a lot of food, I'm not eating again that day. And I just choke that up. It's my 1 meal a day, and I've been having a lot of those lately. I've been having a lot of 1 meal a day because I just haven't been wanting to eat. This, guys, this will be a 2 meal a day because once I eat this, and this is my lunch, I just broke my fast. It's 4, and I just broke my fast. So when I eat again at 7:30, it had to be my second meal of the day. This video is not going to be too long because, for one, this stuff it's not a lot, but it's very filling. Very filling. I want to say a shout out to the Mukbang Rebels and to everyone that has rocked with me from day one. I want to say rest in peace to my sister, Tina's life. I want to give a shout out to my girl, 7777, Miss 7777. Everybody that has been a part of a Walk in the Fat Woman's Shoes and the Keish TV. I want to give a shout out to all these guys. Come cut this down, please. Sorry, y'all. I hope YouTube ain't catch that. I hope so. I hope not. But anyway, I just want to give a shout out to everybody. I love y'all because without y'all, I would not be sitting up here doing this. I would be getting bigger. I'm just gonna tell you like it is. I'd be up here, getting bigger, not caring what nobody say about me with my health or none of that, because forget it, you gotta die sometime, but I don't want to die this soon. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate everybody that's on here that's rooting for me. I'm rooting for y'all. Like I say, we all are a family. No matter what your journey is, I pray that everybody's journey be fulfilled to the best, and then some. The matter of fact, the best and beyond. Y'all, so I'm done with my cups. This is cute, Like when Mel Baby did it, she just did it, and we ate it off the plate or whatever. But I like how I did this, put them in the avocados like little boats. So when I have it again, this is how it's gonna be in the boat. But let me go ahead and drink me some more, and I'm gonna get a voucher. Water is a girl's best friend. I was talking about wanting juice and this and that, and when I think about it, that juice ain't gonna do nothing but skyrocket my sugar because I'm a diabetic and I don't have time for that. I'm trying to get rid of diabetes, not add on to it. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed the Keisha's eating segment, healthy eating segment. And yeah, I'm going to end it here with I love y'all. Y'all take care, be blessed, have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Thank you for watching, coming in and rocking with me. And until next time, in between time, always remember to smile, smile, smile. And with that being said, I'm going to push you down and pull you up later. Peace, guys.